My name is Guins, and I am the owner of the YouTube channel LetsDig18. Born and raised in North Carolina, third generation into the grading and excavating business, and we're out here moving some dirt today. So the project at hand today is, I do a lot of pond restoration work. We have a pond up the hill behind a house up there, and it's been leaking. So we're having to dig the sand out and replace it with clay so that hopefully it will hold water. So for this project, I decided to demo the A40 just because it's a pretty good sized project, and the amount of traveling we're having to do is a very long, it's about a mile round trip. So being able to have the bigger truck haul a whole lot more material per load is really kind of speeding things up and really helping with the efficiency on being able to move. We're probably moving another 10 or 15 tons per load with the bigger truck versus the current truck that I've been using. So the first impression is like, wow, everything's different. You know, everything's a lot newer and more modern in there. Everything's, you know, touch screen. The first thing I did notice was how much easier it is to get in that truck. Before, you're climbing up the stairs and having to open the door and climb in. This one, you actually have a platform you stand on where it's nice and level, and then you get into the cab, because most of the time you're always carrying a drink, your lunchbox, stuff in your hands. A lot more creature comforts in there, heated, cool seats, everything's, you know, digital display, got a heated and cool box. I mean, it's set up nice. It's very nice in there.
Hi, I'm Chad Baker. I represent Ascendum. We're the Volvo dealer for North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Eastern Tennessee, and I'm the account manager for LetsDig18. So we are right outside of Sanford, North Carolina today with LetsDig18, Chris Guins, and he's a great advocate for Volvo equipment, so it's a great opportunity to have him run the new A40. The A40 is a perfect machine for this job. It's a long run, it's about a mile round trip, as he alluded to, and also the different materials that he's traveling through while hauling the dirt also makes it a very good job site for the A40. Some of my favorite features on the A40 is a redesigned hood. It allows you to see over the nose of the machine a whole lot better to add visibility, and also the integrated monitor inside the cab. It gets rid of a lot of the buttons and it puts it all into one monitor where you can really use that, and it's user friendly.
It's pretty amazing how much power and how smooth that truck is versus the older generations of transmission, just how smooth it is shifting through all the gears on this long haul that we're doing. So the visibility out of the truck is really good. It's got that low profile hood on it, and I feel like the windshield's actually a little bit bigger in it, so you don't have really a whole lot of blind spots in it, and I've been very happy with it. Plus there's a whole lot more cameras in it, so you know, between that added visibility and the more cameras around it, it really allows you to be able to see everything you need to. So I've been very happy with the fuel consumption on the truck. Like I said, we've got a very long haul that we've been doing on it. We've been hauling, you know, off and on for the past 2.5 days, and I finally just had to fill it up this morning with fuel. So I'm pretty happy with 2.5 days. Like I said, we haven't been using it all day, every day, but I feel like we've definitely hauled, I think, like 2,600 tons of dirt, and we only burnt like 2/3 of a tank of fuel. And with a mile long round trip, I feel like that's a pretty good return. So one of the favorite features I like about that truck is the load scale system. It has the indicator lights on the outside, which relates to the computer screen on the inside. It tells you how many tons you're moving per hour, per day. You can look back on that and be a whole lot more accurate at the end of the day, knowing you've moved this amount of yards. And in the future, you can base off that, and it really helps you kind of bid jobs, get a good understanding of how much material you're moving and how fast you can move it. So I would say anybody that's hesitant about trying one of these trucks, do it, because you won't regret it.